Hey guys, it's Amethyst, and today I'm playing Can Your Pet? My friend asked me to play this. I don't know why, but it looks adorable, so press start. Oh, I get to name it. Let's call it, I'm going to call him, let's call him, Bob. Bonnie. I like that. I'm gonna call it Bonnie. Oh, it's a little bunny. I'm not bunny, I'm a little chick. Cute. What's this? Oh. What? Oh, I get to change it. That's cute. Oh, look at that. I like that. Let's do that one. I like that one. Oh, they're cute. Yeah, I'll do that one. It looks like he's like just nose. Ah, he's a little scarf. That's cute. Little bow tie. Is that a stomach? You can be a cheerleader, Bonnie. Bunnies. Oh, he's badass. Yeah. Oh, feeding him. Oh, there's a little bike. Oh, is he gonna ride a bike? That's cute. Oh, he doesn't like it. Oh. Feed him a bit more. He eats the blimmin' bag as well. Wait, before we do the bike, I want to see what their little weight thing is. That's cool. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. What is this? Yeah. Wait, if it says that, something bad is gonna happen. Oh well, he's just gonna ride a bike. It's cute. What the? No! What?
Now this is chicken talk.
What? Bonnie! What the heck? What? What? What the hell? What? Oh, we get to play this. I'm sad now. That is brutal murder. I hate it. No, I'm not gonna. Let's just do this. No, I'm not having fun. I just killed a food. Should I do like... I hate this. No! No!
This is what they say when the chickens they do live.
What the? No. 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 You know what? You know what? That's all I have for you today, guys. Do not play this game. I warned you. Goodbye.